In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Yahoo password. We all know how important it is to keep our accounts secure, and from time to time, you might find yourself needing to update or reset your password for various reasons. Maybe you've forgotten it, or perhaps there's a security reason prompting you to make a change. Whatever the reason, I'm here to walk you through the process in a way that's straightforward and easy to understand. Let's dive right in. You'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Yahoo login page. If you're not familiar with how to get there, you can easily find it by typing Yahoo login into your search engine, and it should be right at the top of the results. Once you're on the login page, look for the field where you're prompted to enter either your email address or your mobile number. Go ahead and type that in. After you've entered your information, click the next button to proceed. Now you'll find yourself on the password input screen. Since you're looking to reset your password, you'll want to click on the link that says Forgot Password. It should be underneath the password entry box. Clicking this will guide you through the identity verification process. This step is essential to ensure that it's actually you trying to access the account. The system will usually offer to send a verification code to the phone number or recovery email associated with your Yahoo account. Once you've selected your preferred method, keep an eye on your phone or email inbox for that verification code. When it arrives, you'll need to enter it into the prompt on your screen. This will confirm your identity, allowing you to move on to the next step. With your identity verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Remember, creating a strong password is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. I recommend thinking of a password that's at least 8 characters long, includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like 123456 or anything that includes personal information. Type your new password in and then confirm it by typing it again in the following field. This step ensures there are no typos and that you've input the password you truly want. After confirming your new password, simply click Continue. And there you have it. You should be successfully logged into your Yahoo account with your new password. Remember to keep this password secure and maybe note it down in a safe place if you're worried about forgetting it again. That wraps up today's guide on resetting your Yahoo password. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.